Hello, my name is William Shaw, and I will be discussing with you about my hometown of Sumter, South Carolina. Fun facts about Sumter. Sumter was named the top 10 places to retire in the Carolinas according to Retirement Lifestyles magazine. Swan Lake Irish Gardens is the only public park in the United States with all 8 known species of swans and 250 varieties of Japanese Irish. The city of Sumter is named for General Thomas Sumter, better known as the Fighting Gamecock of the American Revolutionary War. Sumter is located in the Midland region of the state, approximately 45 miles east of Columbia, which is our state capital. Famous people from Sumter. NBA Hall of Famer Ray Allen attended Hillcrest High School, where he won a state championship. Super Bowl champion Freddie Solomon attended Sumter High, where he graduated in the class of 1971, and our football stadium, Amah High School, is named after him. And Bobby Richardson is a native of Sumter, South Carolina.